go explode with it. Come on now.
How heavy that thing?
Come on. Nah, you gotta push it, man. Don't just like roll it over. Push it. There you go.
Hey, don't use your biceps. Explode with the hips. There you go.
Let's go back.
Bring it back.
That's light, man.
What's up? All goes well. Good. I'll just be in it for dead. I'm not going to go.
Let's go. One more.
Come on, man. I'll see you.
Take care.